Namaste, Prema from LG Electronics. So today's recipe I am making for the samosa. Samosa, it will be given for the in the manual. So it's given for the diet fry recipe. So with the samosa it will be given. This is the ingredients, everything it will be given here. So for that I'll make ready for you. So this is a aloo already I'll boil and snatch the aloo. So this is dough I mixed and kept. So first we can make for the rolling part on this one. So first we can take for the small balls on this. So we'll roll it for you.
Hello.
So we'll roll it like this. So first we can cut off. So this we can keep. So here. So we'll make like this. So we can make it for the wheat. This is thickness, it will be little bit light. So it's not very high thickness you want to take. So just make it a roll this. You want to cut, you can cut it like this too. So you can fold it here. So you can fold like this. So here in between you want to fill, you can fill in between. You can fold like this and again you can fold like this. So this is a method you can make it. So now I grease the tawa also. So I am using a low grill rack. So as per the manual, so we are selecting for here for the samosa auto cooking mode with the diet fry option. This is it will become for the 1/6. So here we can select for the diet fry. Here we can select the number of 1/6 and while the preheating will keep for the low grill rack with a multi-cook pan inside. Low grill rack with a multi-cook pan and we'll start the button. This it will be go for the preheating process. So once it will be get for the preheating is done, then we can place the samosa and we'll keep it inside. So 1 spoon of oil we can grease here and same thing we can grease for the samosas also. So one side we can grease it. So once it will be comes to the beef side, beef it will we can grease it for the other side also. So you want to use a brush and brush also, you can use the brush and you can use it for that. Let's get for the preheated. Once the preheating, I'll take out the tawa outside. We'll arrange it here. So 22 minutes already presetted. We'll start. We'll take it out. Yes, we can stir it. We'll apply little bit oil in the this. first time I put for the low pressure. Now last 2 minutes I am keeping a high pressure. High pressure and continuing. Is there. So your samosa is ready. So in this one, so you want to make for the, already you have a scan to cook, you can use it for the scan to cook mode and you can use it. So you don't have a scan to cook model, you can use for the user manual book and you can do it on this. Both the way you can do. So now it's ready. Can I have a look? See, the samosas get ready. It comes to the both the side. The browning efficiency also come on this. Okay. Thank you. Like this type you want to more recipes, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.